Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am your B.M.Amizhthan. Today in this video we are going to see two interesting science magical experiments. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see, right? Let's go. The things needed for this experiment are a bottle and a piece of paper. The first step is take the piece of paper, take a small piece. Now we need to make a small paper ball with this piece of paper. Now we will make it. Now I have made the small paper ball. Friends, here comes the first challenge. We need to take the plastic bottle and the paper ball. Keep the paper ball in the mouth of this plastic bottle and we need to blow air to get this paper ball inside this plastic bottle. We will try it now. Oh no! The paper ball has came outside of this plastic bottle. Now we will try one another time with more force. Oh God! Now also the paper ball has came out of this plastic bottle. Now our last turn. Now we will put with more force. I will not stop until we get this paper ball inside this plastic bottle. We need to keep this paper ball in the mouth of this plastic bottle and we need to blow. Oh God! How strange it is. Now also the paper ball has came out of this plastic bottle. What wrong I am doing? What thing we can do to get this paper ball into this plastic bottle? A new idea. Now we will try with this new idea. Now we need to use our straw. Take the paper ball and keep it inside this plastic bottle. Now use the paper straw to blow. Wow! Amazing! See? Now the paper ball has came inside this plastic bottle. See how wonderful it is. So our first challenge is in success. Friends, do you think the reason behind this challenge? That is difference in air pressure. When we compare the air pressure in the bottle and when we blow the air pressure inside the bottle is more than we blow our air. So that only the air goes inside this plastic bottle and the more air pressure will push this paper ball outside. See? We will try it. See? That is the reason why the paper ball came outside. Now when I use the straw, the paper ball went inside this plastic bottle. That is because of when we use the straw, we will give more air. Then the pressure will be more when we blow the air in the straw than compared in the pressure in the bottle. So and we will blow the air directly to the ball. So that only the ball is going inside the plastic bottle when using the straw. We will try it. See? See, wow! The reason is correct. So that only the small paper ball is going inside and coming outside the plastic bottle. This is because of the difference in air pressure. So the first magical experiment is done. Friends, you can also use this challenge to bet your friends you can win this challenge. So you also try with your friends and relatives. Now let's go for the second challenge. Friends, here comes the second magical experiment. The things needed for this experiment are matchbox, a plastic cup with a candle fitted inside in the middle of the plastic cup and the colored water. You can also use the normal water. To show it colorful, I am using the colored water, scissors and ENO packet. The first step is colored water and pours inside this cup. Now we will light the candle. Now the candle has been lit up. Now we will take the ENO packet and we will cut it. And now we will pour the ENO packet, ENO powder in this colored water, and we will see what reaction happens. Friends, see, the candle has been stopped burning. Now we will try another time. Now we will take another packet ENO. We will put it. So now also the candle has stopped burning. Now we will try one another time. See friends, now also the candle has stopped burning. When we put the ENO packet in the colored water, the candle has stopped burning. See how wonderful it is. The reason behind this magical experiment is when we put the ENO powder in the colored water, it reacts with the colored water and it produces the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will not allow to burn the candle or the matchstick, so that only the candle is not burning. Only the oxygen will burn. Friend, so that only in fire extinguisher they are using the carbon dioxide. So today in this video we have seen two interesting science magical experiments. Hope you like the video and also the experiment. Give your valued likes and comments to put more interesting magical science experiments like this, and don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.